In this video, I'm going to document the process by which students can build a machine learning project using Apple's CreateML. This is a really simple project. We're going to look at classifying satellite images as a means to determine if there's appropriate bodies of water for a mining project. You could really classify anything. You could classify pictures of people or animals or other objects if you wanted. So the project we've broken up into two parts. The first will be developing the image classifier using Swift Playgrounds, and the second will be building the actual app which utilizes the image classifier model. In order to train your model, you're going to have to ensure that you have sufficient amount of data. So what we're going to do is when we show the model an image, we want it to return whether there is water or it's dry. So you have to set up a couple of folders. First, in your training folder, you're going to want two folders, one with water and one with dry. So in my water folder, I've got some satellite images of water, as you can see here. And then in my dry folder, I'm going to have some dry images of the WA outback. Ideally, you need to have the same amount of images for each class folder. If you had 30 water images and 200 dry images, then when you train the model will be biased towards dry. So if you don't want to have any bias, you need to make sure that you have a similar number. At a minimum, you need to have about 10 images for each class. However, the more images that you have, the more accurate your model will be. It's also worth keeping in mind that training time will increase with the more images that you have. For example, if you had 20 images, it will take roughly double the amount of time to train. So next, you'll set up your testing folder. So your testing data set will be completely separate from your training data set. It'll include both wet and dry images. Now that we have our data, we can start to create our model. So it's pretty simple to do. I just need to create a blank playground in Xcode and choose where we're going to save. I'm just going to stick it on my desktop, and then we need to import the CreateML library. We've got this nice user interface which it will use, which makes it very easy to train and drag your data in. Just need to copy in these couple lines of code. And then when we run our code and show the assistant editor, you'll see this nice little UI shows up. Now, as the UI says, we're ready to test our model. So in order to do this, we just need to select our folder, drag the whole training folder into the UI. You can see it's starting to process all of our images, and once it's complete, you should be able to see how successful the model was in being able to predict if the satellite imagery had water bodies or not. So once we've looked through the more detailed analysis of our model training, the next thing we need to do is to test our model. You see our UI has now changed. We've got this new little section at the bottom here where it's asking us to add in our testing folder. So we'll go ahead and we'll find our testing folder and we'll drag that into our UI like we did before. So currently we're only using about a dozen images to train our algorithm. CreateML makes it pretty easy to experiment with different data sets and see whether more data is able to improve the accuracy of the model. Now, if you're limited in the amount of data which you can provide the model, you can also look at augmenting your images by flipping, rotating, shearing, and changing the exposure of the images. This will give you a bit more data to play with. So if we're happy with the accuracy of the model, we now need to look at saving it so that we can use it in an Xcode project. So at the top, there's a little arrow on the top right that has all the details there of your model. You just need to choose where you want to save it, obviously, and then we want to hit that save button. So now we have our image classifier model, which is saved to my desktop. I'm going to create a new single view application in Xcode. I'm not going to spend too much time on the building of the app. The project I've made available in GitHub, so you can just download it and add in your own image classifier just to make it a little bit easier. But basically what we want to do is to have a single view application, and then we're going to drag our image classifier into the project directory. Okay, and you want to make sure that it gets added in. Just give you a rundown of the app inside the main storyboard. I've just got an image view, I've got a label, and I've also got a toolbar which is going to have our button so that we can access our camera. Now again, I've given you all of the code, but basically all we need to do is modify one line. And this will just be dependent on if you've named your image classifier something different from what I have. So if we scroll up to the top, we can see here the name of the image classifier, and we can modify that if we choose. I'm happy with my app now, so I'm going to build this on an iPhone 8. I've been pretty lazy with my setup because it was just a little demo, so it's optimized really for an iPhone 8, and then we'll build our project. So once our project's built, we select the camera item, go to my camera roll and select an image with water, and select a dry one, and we can see there that the images are being classified successfully.